Okay, hi guys, just a quick one today to just show some of the details I'm getting out of my Bambu Labs P1P printer. The details I'm getting are just really amazing. So let's get into it and show you. Okay, so this is a group that I printed off the Bambu. I haven't done anything except pull it off the build plate, remove the supports and glue the legs on. No post-processing has been done, but look at the detail and the quality of the print coming out of this printer. It is simply amazing. They fit together perfectly. The tolerances, so you can see the legs, you can barely see. So no gap in the joints or anything, it's just superb. Okay, well. There you go guys, hope that helped. Just a quick one today. Thank you, bye.